Now today we are doing try these, page number 145, chapter number 7, congruence of the triangle. This is question number 1. What is the side included between the angle M and angle N of triangle MNP? So first of all, there is a need to draw figure, and then we will find which side is between M and N in the triangle MNP. In the first part, we have to first of all we have to draw MNP, a triangle MNP. Here we will write M, here N, or here we will write P. Now the question is asking which side is between angle M, this angle M and this angle N. Which side is between these two angles? So here you can see this side MN. This side MN is between angle M and N. So the answer is MN. Now question number 2, you want to establish triangle DEF congruent to triangle MNP using a ASA congruency rule. You are given that angle D and equals to angle M and angle F is equal to angle P. What information is needed to establish the congruence? So here also we have to draw a rough figure, and then we will find which statement or which additional information is needed for showing the congruency ASA. In question number 2, here we want to establish the congruency rule ASA in two triangles. So first of all, we will draw a rough diagram of these two triangles. First triangle is named as DEF and other one is named as MNP. So we want to apply rule of ASA. ASA means angle side angle. So it is given angle D equal angle M. Angle F, this. Here we will make two lines. This F is equal to P. Here also we will make two lines. That's why we can say angle D equal angle M or angle F equal angle P. So what information is needed for proving ASA in these two triangles? So this side is also needed to be equal to this side. Means DF, this DF should be equal to MP. So this information we have needed. So its answer will be DF is equal to MP. So this is needed for proving these triangle as congruent by using ASA. This is question number 3. There are two triangles are given. One by one we have to solve these parts and then show that these two triangles are congruent and by which congruency they are congruent. This is the first part. This is the second part. This is first part. Here you have to make these triangles congruent and you have to write the congruency rule by which these two triangles are congruent. For the solution, first of all, we will name this triangle. We will write in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. First of all, statement we have to write which triangle we are taking. Now conditions, we will write angle A is 40 or here angle F is 40. So we will write angle A is equal to angle F. And this is, we will write given. This is given angle A equal angle F and AB, side AB is 3.5 or here EF is 3.5. So we will write AB is equal to EF, it is also given. After that we will write angle B is equal to angle 60 है तो it is angle to equal E. So we will write it is also given. So here you can see two angles and the side included between these two angles is also equal. So these triangles are congruent by ASA. So we will write triangle ABC congruent sine triangle DEF FED by ASA. This is second part PQR and DEF. So first of all we will write which triangles we are taking. So we will write in triangle PQR and triangle DE and F. So here you can see angle Q and angle D are equal because both are 90 degree. Angle R and angle E equal, both are 50 degree, but the sides PR and DF, you can see PR and DF are not equal as this is 3.3 and this is 3.5. So we will write not equal means these triangles are not congruent. So these triangles are not congruent. So we will write triangle PQR is not congruent. So this is the congruent sign and this is not congruent.